So guys, imagine that my screen is black right now. I'm just showing you this for this tutorial. So just imagine that my screen is black. So you want to click on Control, Alt and Delete on your keyboard, and then you want to click on Task Manager. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Run New Task. And now once you're on here, we're going to type in reg edit. And then you want to create this task with admin privileges, and click on OK. So now once you're in here, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine, then you want to expand software, then you want to expand Microsoft, then you want to scroll down and expand Windows NT. Here it is. You want to expand Windows NT. I'm just going to move this over here. And then you want to expand current version. And now we're going to scroll down and then you want to click on Win Logon. And then all these files should appear. Now once you're on this, you want to double click on Shell. And you want to make sure that in the value data it says explorer.exe. So if it just says some random stuff like this, you want to delete it. And then you want to type in explorer.exe and then click on OK. Now once you've done that, you can now close out of regedit. And now you want to click on Control, Alt and Delete on your keyboard again. And then you want to click on the power button and then click on Restart. Now once you restart Windows, the problem should be fixed.